Hey there everybody, Bill here working on a Maxima 1995 once again. Today I have been changing out what they call a knock sensor, I guess. On this 95 Maxima 3-liter V6 engine, you gotta take that darn airbox out. You don't have to, but my hands were too big to it just makes it easier to see. You could do it with just feeling. I'm starting to get low light. It's the end of the day here. But is this gonna work? Can you see that little screw down there? I got it out finally, the knock sensor. What you have to do is I use a 1/4-inch ratchet with a few extensions, and it's a 13mm bolt. I think 1/2 inch should be the same, with a swivel. And if you get that down there, it's really at an angle when you gotta do it, but it's down there like that. There's a little notch on the intake manifold. I stuck it right there to kind of keep it square on the nut. And it was pretty tight with a 1/4-inch wrench. Other videos people say it's like 13 foot-pounds, I think, which is not very much at all. So just snug it up. Let's see, I guess I was getting a coat. That was the last coat I had, fixing up this diamond in the rough. Here's the new one I ordered off eBay. Yeah, the only coat I was getting was after I changed my injectors out. Plugged the computer into it under the dash, and it said knock sensor. I've never replaced a knock sensor on any cars. I drive older stuff, and it's kind of new to me, but I guess they've been using them for a while. I guess it just senses vibrations or something. I think I got this one on eBay for like 10 or 12 bucks. I just checked the plug already. It's exactly the same as the Nissan. I was just going to do a comparison here. Here is the new one. Like, it just looks like a chunk of metal. Oh, here's the bolt that came out of it. Looks brand new. 13mm. Here is the old one. It's got cracks all over it. I think I'm gonna dissect that maybe in another video to see what it's really made of. It looks like it's actually melted a little bit on the inside, so that's kind of crazy. Wonder what it says on it. And that looks like it could be the original. There's a little Nissan symbol on it as a part number. Japan. I guess you can buy them without the plug, but I found it so cheap I figured might as well just get it with the plug. These little, it doesn't look too hard to come off. Some people say they come off hard on there, but you gotta take this metal square clip off or something. But anyways, I think it'll work. Yeah, the car seemed to be running fine. I mean, I don't know how it can run any better. The only problem I've had, it's not even a problem, it's just a nuisance when you start up in cold weather, especially below 40 degrees or 30 degrees. You get a little tick from the timing cover. It's actually a bad tensioner, I think, but it's kind of a job. So I'm going to try and flush the engine out. I guess there's ports on that or something you can... Because this engine did sit for a year or two without being driven. And then when I bought it, the oil was kind of black in it, so... Yeah. And then that plugs in right up here. Kind of strings around there. And down there. So if you got smaller fingers, I can get my hand down there, but I'm getting cut up pretty good. When you get it down there, you can't get it out very fast. You just gotta be patient. So, thanks for stopping by. Bye.